Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Compass CRM for deal pipelines and reminders. To enable Compass CRM for deal pipelines and reminders, begin by logging into your Compass CRM account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the settings icon, typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the settings icon to access the configuration options. In the settings menu, scroll down to find the pipeline section. Click on Pipelines to view the available options. Here, you will see various stages of the deal pipeline. To enable the deal pipeline feature, toggle the option on. Next, proceed to customize the stages of your pipeline according to your workflow. Add or remove stages as needed by clicking on the respective options. Once you have configured the pipeline stages, save your changes. Now, to set up reminders, return to the Settings menu. Look for the Reminders section within the settings. Click on Reminders to access the reminder configuration. Here, you can define when you want reminders to trigger. Choose the appropriate time frames that suit your needs. Select the activities for which you would like to receive reminders. After setting your preferences, ensure to save your changes. You can now return to your dashboard to use the newly enabled features. Test the deal pipeline by creating a new deal and moving it through the stages. Simultaneously, check that reminders are functioning as expected for upcoming tasks. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled Compass CRM for deal pipelines and reminders. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.